All right, so in this question, we've got a curve. They've given us the derivative. It's equal to kx squared minus 12x plus 5. They're telling us k is a constant or a number. And they give us 1 point. Actually, they give us 2 points that it passes through. This is going to be very similar to question number 2 that hopefully you just did. So think along that line. You might want to pause it and try it on your own. Anyway, they give us the derivative. And I'm going to go ahead and find the indefinite integral. What I'm going to do is put the constant in here, leave an open space, raise the power by 1, and then change that to its reciprocal. I'm going to do that over again. So this is going to be x squared. I'm going to put a 1/2 in there. And then the constant is going to be an x. All right, so when I multiply this, I'm going to get this lovely thing. And you notice it's got a k and a c. I need to find out what both of those are. There's 2 things I need to know, and I'm going to solve it by doing a system of equations. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the first point they gave me. And I'm going to replace the y with a -3, replace all the x's with a 1, and then simplify it. And I should end up pretty quickly getting to 1/3 k minus 6 plus 5 plus c. All I've got to do is get everything on one side. So let's leave this k here. If I get the numbers out of the way, it's going to be -2 equal 1/3 k plus c. All right, that's our first equation. So now we're going to do our other one, and we're going to kind of try to make it look like this one. Again, our point is 311. Replace the y with 11, all the x's with a 3. And then we'll gotta just simplify this, being careful that I'm multiplying correctly and adding and subtracting correctly. I just got to get everything on one side. I'm going to do set it up the same way the other one is, and then I'm going to stack them up. And again, you'll notice I have just one c. So if I subtract these 2 equations, the c's are going to go away. I'm going to have only one variable to deal with, which I can do with. 1/3 minus 9 is -26/3. Divide by -26/3. That's going to give me k is equal to 6. And then I take one of the equations. 50 equals 9 times 6 plus c. I'm going to find out that c is equal to -4. And now I'm going to take both these pieces of information and actually answer the question they asked by plugging them back into the indefinite integral that we found. And I'm going to get the answer is 2x to the 3rd minus 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. And that's all she wrote. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.